How to remove bad videos from Facebook feed. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove the bad videos from Facebook feed. First thing first, open up your Facebook application. And once you open it up, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, then you just need to go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top right. Now from here, tap on settings and privacy down below and head over to settings. The next step is to actually find preferences, and under preferences you'll find content preference. Just tap on it, and on your content preferences you will find manage defaults. Here you are able to manage your low quality content, unoriginal content or problematic sharing, and then sensitive contents. So tap on low quality content, then you are going to select each one of them and set this to show less, so you may not see this content at all. Tap on save and do the same for others as well. So what happens is low quality videos that may loop or have images instead of video, potential spams such as account that may be fake, clickbait which may be exaggerate details or withhold the information. You may see all of these as the less videos. Then tap on unoriginal and then do the same thing. Click on save. Now tap on OK and do the same thing for all of these. Tap on save, and once that is done, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.